This two-story portable expandable prefab tiny house offers a versatile and modern living solution. With customizable colors and a blend of wood and stainless steel materials, it boasts impressive dimensions of 480 inches by 114 inches and a height of 96 inches. Designed as an expandable container house, it's suitable for various uses including housing, staff dormitories, temporary offices, or even mobile living. It comes in 20 feet, 30 feet, or 40 feet sizes and offers single or double-story configurations. The walls are constructed with fireproof and waterproof sandwich panels for durability and safety, while the frame is made from galvanized steel. A key feature is its double-wing expansion structure, allowing for significantly more living space with customizable internal layouts from 1 to 5 rooms. What's truly remarkable is its quick assembly and disassembly, taking a mere 10 minutes for setup, making it incredibly easy to move. This makes it an ideal choice for a permanent home, a backyard guest house, or an off-grid mobile living solution. Please check the link in the description for more info. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.